Hello everyone, welcome back to hairstyling. Make two braids and combine them to the bottom ponytail and have a loop and have a hair clip. In the middle section of the hair, go for the hair ties. In the back section, have a ponytail and make it go to the top by using a hair loop. Split that into two and form a heart shape and combine both the tails together. Have 4 bunches and convert the bottom 2 into 4 braids and have a triangle loop-like design. Drop it on the ponytail. Make a swirl and form a bun after braiding. Have 2 little thin braids on top and insert a hair loop and have a bunch of hair come into it and have it come down. Then repeat it the same on the opposite side. Then combine both the strips together with a common drab band. Once when you're done with it, combine the braids as well and have a hair clutcher. Make an S-shaped ridge and on one side make a braid, and with the remaining part form a bun by using a fluffy rubber band and form another braids and secure it. Then with the remaining braid make a loop and have a rubber band decorated by using a bow tie. Have a bunch on top, apply a hair wax and divide into 2, make braids and have a hair ties at the sides. Then create a loop and make the hair loose in the center. Split your hair into 3 sections and the top part make 2 braids in a very thin manner and attach it in a loop by making a hair ties at the sides. Then have a braid and bend it over and have your hair clutches. Combine 3 fluffy rubber bands together by having a knot at the center and attach it to the braids at the sides. Then with the remaining hair form a ponytail, split that into 2, have rubber bands and combine both of them together. Have a braid bent over and have your hair clutcher. Make 2 little braids at the bottom and with the remaining ponytail on the top, have a bun, make and roll to the top and make a circle, hide it with the hair, then secure that with a rubber band and of course your beautiful fluffy hairband. Make 2 braids at the sides and at the center have a ponytail and using a loop make it go to the top, split that into 2 and have 2 more ponytails and attach them to a common rubber band. Then cover them by rolling up with a lovely hair tie of your choice. Roll the ribbon up to the bottom part and have a bow tie. Make hair ties in the middle section of the hair and combine that with a part of hair at the back and make a twisted band and form a loop and combine them. Stretch your ponytail with a bun maker and completely roll it from the bottom and secure it on the top and make a swirl and completely hide that with the hair. Have a rubber band and of course your beautiful fluffy hairband. Have 2 braids at the sides and create a section of hair and have a ponytail. Do the same at the bottom section, combine the braids and ponytail together and have 2 loops of braids at the bottom and have a hairband. Make 5 bunches and split the middle one into 2 and have rubber bands. Do the same on the others and form a closed shape. Then combine all of them together into a common ponytail. Make a star shape design. Then roll the ponytail to the top using a bun maker and form a shape and close it with a rubber band. Split your hair into 3 sections and the middle section form a ponytail and combine the tails together into a continuous loop. Then at the back section of the hair make a braid and bend it over and have a hair clutches. Make 3 ponytails and split the middle one into 2 and braid all of them and combine the first 2 and the last 2 and cross them each other and attach it to the ponytail at the bottom. Make 2 braids and 2 ponytails and make the braids across each other in the next manner and braid the ponytails and form a bun and secure it with the hair tie. Make the ponytail go upwards in a loop and form a heart-like shape with a braid. Thank you guys for watching this video.